Hello CJB students, let me show you how to make your Google Meet show all your classmates at one time, not just your teacher. Here's what you do. Take your mouse and go to the bottom here. When you hover the mouse over the 3 vertical line button, you're going to see more options pop up. Click and you'll see all the options you have for how your screen looks. You can, for instance, change your background to blur your background, like how I have it, and things like that. Well, now let's focus. Go to the top here to adjust view. This symbol is your hint that that's where you need to go. Click it and make sure that tiled is selected. You're going to have it look like the Brady Bunch, if you know what that show is, where you see all your classmates in little squares all over your screen. Make sure that this sliding bar is set to 30 or 16. This is going to control the size of your squares to accommodate however many people are in your Google Meet. Class sizes at CJB are usually between 16 to 21, so that's why I recommend 30, but if 16 works, that's great. Now that tiled is selected, I'm going to click X, and then when my class joins, I'm going to see each of them, and they're going to see me, and we're all set. I hope this has been helpful. Time for class.